Walls are harder to change frequently than draperies and wallpaper. For this reason, selecting the appropriate wall material is crucial to a cozy home. There are several reasons why Hotblock's designers suggest their product. Firstly, they are built of expanded clay aggregate with foamed polystyrene insulation, which makes them lightweight. Secondly, construction is sped up since they are bigger than bricks. A home built with the system is renowned for its exceptional heat conservation because of creative solutions. For many years, light expanded clay aggregate, which is created from carefully selected clay, has been a conventional, natural, and healthy building material. Buildings that have wall insulation of no more than 0.15 watt per meter cube can be made energy efficient. A home constructed with the system will save a substantial amount of money on heating while it is occupied, which is essential considering the anticipated increase in energy costs. A home constructed using the Hotblock system is guaranteed to be warm, breathable, long-lasting, and healthy thanks to this unique combination of criteria that is uncommon in contemporary building, particularly for single-layer walls. The 300 by 420 by 240 mm lightweight concrete element guarantees effective horizontal binding with half elements and eliminates the need to trim the blocks. A novel substance known as CPC was developed by the city of Winterthur, Holcim Company, and Zurich University of Applied Sciences. Carbon fiber and pre-stressed concrete make up its construction. Panels are made with it for a variety of uses. A building in Winterthur that serves as a conversation area, experimental workshop, and coffee shop is the first project to use this product. With years of experience, Holcim has developed and engineered cutting-edge precast concrete and prefabricated parts. These solutions are appropriate for various kinds of building projects, such as residential, commercial, and infrastructural development. Precise manufacture and curing are guaranteed by the regulated industrial environment in which precast concrete is made. After that, it is moved to the construction site and installed, which expedites the completion of the project by minimizing on-site labor and the requirement for material transportation. Holcim provides a range of precast products, both standard and customized. These consist of water management pipes, paving stones, and masonry blocks, in addition to structural components including wall panels, columns, tunnel liners, railings, and bridge parts. CPC uses 80% less material, is totally recyclable, and can cut CO2 emissions by up to 75%. Moreover, it weighs a lot less than wood. An option to building with Legos is to use insulated concrete molds. Each block weighs less than 4 kilos, and 3 blocks are required for every square meter of wall. You may utilize these blocks at -10 degrees Celsius conditions. They function similarly to a concrete thermos. Without any preparatory work, the manufacturer claims that 1 or 2 persons may construct a house's walls or foundation in 2 to 4 days. ICF technology presents a novel way to design long-lasting, energy-efficient structures. It is perfect for a variety of building types, including big businesses and little dwellings, as it offers continuous fire protection, soundproofing, and insulation without the mold issue. This system is made up of 3 main parts: concrete, which has a superior density and strength and effectively reinforces the building's structure; reinforcement, which is essential for creating a strong, cohesive reinforced concrete structure and facilitating the implementation of diverse architectural designs; and these blocks, which seamlessly interlock to ensure uninterrupted insulation and high energy efficiency without thermal bridges. By offering continuous insulation and minimizing thermal bridging, this technology makes building almost zero energy and passive houses easier. Its forms provide excellent insulating qualities that limit heat transmission, resulting in lower heating and cooling costs and long-term savings. The purpose of these German shingles is to shield houses from storms and hurricanes, which are occurring more frequently. For instance, Storm David, sometimes known as Cyclone Frederica, inflicted $532 million in damage. The STRMFix 2.0 tile aids in fortifying houses against these types of conditions. Its unique attaching mechanism is its primary feature. It's difficult to say whether climate change is making storms worse, but one thing is certain: any storm has the potential to do significant harm, particularly to structures. With their powerful winds and rain, winter storms are especially dangerous because they frequently blow off or damage roofs, allowing water to enter homes. This may also result in persons, cars, or other things being harmed by roof tiles. The primary causes are falling debris and flying objects of fatalities during storms. WIENERBERGER developed the STRMFix 2.0 attaching mechanism for ceramic roof tiles in order to counter this. It's inexpensive, simple to use, and 3 times more effective than conventional storm clamps. European winter storms can nevertheless do a great deal of damage, even though they aren't as powerful as typhoons or hurricanes. Because they influence such a wide region, winds above 120 km per hour are extremely harmful. Secure roofs are crucial since even typical storms with winds of 75 to 88 km per hour have the ability to lift roof tiles. The average height of a wind turbine is 590 feet. Because cranes and drones might not be able to reach it or carry the necessary gear, maintaining it can be challenging. A device created by engineers hugs the turbine firmly as it goes up like a koala. This technology can run in high winds and is compatible with all wind turbines, including offshore ones. KoaaLifter is an autonomous mechanism that harnesses the strength of the wind turbine tower to ascend. It fits any model and height of wind turbine thanks to its extensible collars that surround the tower. Large-scale repairs, or even the installation of the turbine, can be handled by the mechanism without the need for large cranes. Like a koala climbing trees, the system embraces the tower in a similar manner. It is capable of handling turbine erection in addition to major repairs, such component exchanges, blades, and nacelle sections. With the use of a wave adjustment platform, these features can be modified for use offshore. The mechanism's highly adjustable collars, which may be adjusted to the diameter and shape of the wind turbine tower, are one of its main advantages. Even in winds of up to 25 meters per second, it can use its strength to climb the tower, minimizing turbine downtime and guaranteeing dependability, durability, and safety. Although concrete is a robust material, it requires maintenance to maintain its strength. Many people spend a lot of money on repairs because they are unaware of this. Concrete needs to be replaced, maintained, or restored by professionals. An apparatus known as expansion joints is used to lessen the tension on the concrete. There are other kinds of these joints, such as anti-seismic joints, which are helpful in regions that are prone to earthquakes. Over time, difficulties arising from heavy traffic, be it pedestrian or vehicular, can arise. When coupled with outside factors including weather, this might cause serious problems. Cracks or failed expansion joints are common in high traffic areas like parking garages, sports stadiums, and bridges. The knowledgeable employees at CMR will assist you in locating a long-lasting expansion joint solution that meets your requirements. Concrete buildings require expansion joints in order to facilitate the smooth expansion and contraction of the material in high-traffic regions. Over time, issues can arise when the joint's capacity to handle the traffic load is exceeded. Furthermore, degradation, erosion, and cracks can be brought on by weather and continuous use. The purpose of expansion joints is to repair aging wood joints in pool decks, roads, patios, walkways, and parking lots. They are applied in institutional, commercial, and residential contexts. bunkers are doing quite well in sales. Demand for a US-based corporation increased by 2,000% in 2020. Contemporary bunkers are just as cozy as contemporary apartments. Bathrooms, bedrooms, offices, living rooms, and other spaces with furniture and equipment are typically included. With the largest bunker plant in the world, Atlas Survival Shelters promises that even their little bunkers can sustain you for a month, while their larger bunkers have enough supplies for 6 months. Anywhere in the world can have bunkers sent and installed by them. Based in Texas, these survival shelters produces underground bomb and survival shelters for the whole country, concentrating on Texas, California, Utah, and Arizona. These shelters are made to withstand biological or nuclear fallout, civil unrest, pandemics, and electromagnetic pulse attacks. They can be utilized by hunters and weekend campers on private land, as well as in backyards. Situated around 1 hour to the east of Dallas, the headquarters offers a range of shelter sizes, from the more economical Bombnado to the opulent bunkers that cost millions of dollars. Their project managers and engineers travel all over the world to supervise and install military and residential projects of all sizes. The public can view a number of pre-made steel bunker models at the Texas factory. They use Andair's NBC air filtration systems, which are used by Swiss houses and the Swiss Army. For safety, every shelter has patented CO2 air scrubbers and is airtight. Confidentiality and correct installation are guaranteed by hundreds of factory-trained and licensed dealers. Traditionally, heavy steel molds were used to create circular concrete columns and pillars. But a more modern invention provides a workable answer: formworks made of carefully treated cardboard. Because these formworks may be recycled after usage, they are made to be both disposable and environmentally beneficial. Their transportability, flexibility, lightweight, and ease of installation make them stand out. Concrete columns can be constructed with a wide range of geometric shapes and surface finishes thanks to the extraordinary versatility of the TUBBOX column formwork technology. It is available in several designs, including square, rectangular, circular, and bespoke shapes. Quick setup and takedown times, the capacity to pour many columns simultaneously, and compliance with exposed concrete Class SB3 regulations are only a few of the technology's primary advantages. The ViberMaster Standard 260 volt is a highly versatile and efficient machine, ideal for a wide range of construction projects. Its capability to produce concrete blocks, curbstones, and tiles makes it an excellent choice for both small-scale and large-scale standalone projects. The flexibility and functionality of this machine are unparalleled in the industry, providing a comprehensive solution for various construction needs. One of the key advantages is its remarkable production capacity. With just a 2-person crew, this machine can produce up to 260 concrete blocks per day. Each production cycle, which lasts between 60 to 90 seconds, ensures a consistent and steady output, enabling project timelines to stay on track and within budget. In addition to its impressive production capabilities, the ViberMaster Standard 260 volt offers a wide variety of molds for making blocks. This feature allows for customization and adaptability to meet specific project requirements. Renovation of older structures can be challenging, particularly when dealing with non-weight bearing slabs. ARDEX provides an alternative if you are unable to use dry screed or choose not to. STRONGLITE, their product, only adds 27 kilograms per square meter and may be put at a minimum height of 18 millimeter. Wooden slabs and uneven surfaces with cables and wires are perfect for it. A family-run company called ARDEX provides systems for premium specialty building materials. They provide ways to create system flooring with less surface weight, guaranteeing usability and early accessibility. The generated floors can support loads up to 4.0 kN, both in terms of area and point loads. These flooring can be coupled with heating systems and have excellent thermal insulation qualities in addition to not being combustible. Large format tile installation is feasible, with field sizes of up to 40 squares per meter due to the flat surface produced by the material's flow qualities. A lightweight screed technology called STRONGLITE is intended to produce resilient, light floor surfaces that are readily installable. It is a secure substitute for dry screeds. LS-bound lightweight fill, BUR reinforcing mesh, and K71 thick layer leveling compound are the three primary parts of this system. One of primary product advantages is its capacity to create system flooring with a low surface weight, guaranteeing early accessibility and use readiness. Over 90% of a person's time is spent indoors. This startup uses modular gardens to enhance indoor areas. With PlantBox's self-watering modules, you can add color and vibrancy to an otherwise boring workplace. Every square meter of the garden is situated on a load-bearing wall and weighs roughly 70 kilograms. The dimensions of the garden can be readily changed. The width and height should be multiples of 600 mm and 200 mm, respectively. With an intelligent self-watering system, you can add a green facade to buildings such as residences, workplaces, production spaces, and retail establishments. The system's modules include simple locks that allow them to stack on top of one another and connect side by side. The system is 150 mm deep and can be anchored directly to a load-bearing wall or a pre-wall structure. It is simple to install the system. Every third module only needs to be anchored to a load-bearing wall, because each module contains anchoring holes in the back panel. You don't need additional waterproofing, because the mechanism is waterproof. A vivid, luscious green wall can be created by selecting from a wide variety of plant types. One can water manually or with an automated system. When watering manually, plants only require attention once every 14 days. Glass and green walls improve interior design, reduce noise, clean the air, and keep the humidity at a comfortable level. Researchers at the Ember Center discovered that by 2022, roughly 10% of the electricity produced in over 60 countries came from solar and wind energy. This highlights the importance of the inventions made by the Heliatek team, who created an organic photovoltaic film that is thin and flexible. It is 25% more efficient and lighter at less than 1 millimeter. A building with 712 sheets installed on it produced a peak power production of 37.7 kilowatt in a South Korean project. Using organic photovoltaic technology, they have created an environmentally benign solar film that is incredibly thin, flexible, and light. Due to its adhesive backing, the film is simple to connect to a solar system and adhere to a variety of surfaces. With this invention, each building may produce its own electricity. Despite the widespread usage of solar technology, 98% of rooftop spaces worldwide are not powered by the sun. Their solar films have the ability to reach this unexplored potential, particularly in structures that require lightweight solutions or cannot be equipped with conventional solar panels. These movies offer an innovative method of utilizing the surfaces of existing buildings while maintaining sustainability, energy efficiency, and visual appeal. One of the greenest energy sources available is solar energy, which has a very low carbon footprint, less than 10 grams of CO2 per kilowatt hour. These movies provide 50 times greener electricity than the typical grid mix and 100 times greener electricity than coal-fired power. Dresden has the potential to create up to 2 million square meters annually, thus they are produced there with efficiency. This technology can help you save up to 20% on concrete when pouring slabs and make the finished product 30% lighter without reducing its strength. The best material for this is something cheap, easy to find, and that doesn't react with concrete or steel. Clay pots are perfect for this. Although it might not seem remarkable, this method was used by Laurie Baker, a British-born Indian architect known for his cost-efficient designs. Filler slab construction is an innovative method used in building construction, where a portion of the concrete, typically found at the bottom of the slab, is substituted with filler materials. Installing the shuttering, which creates the slab's mold, is the first step in the procedure. Then, based on the size of the filler material and the structural requirements, reinforcements are arranged in a grid pattern. For example, a 35 by 50 centimeters grid is frequently utilized for Mangalore tiles, whereas a 45 by 45 centimeters grid works well for clay pots that have a 40 centimeters diameter. When supported simply, a 150 mm thick slab can span up to 3.6 m, and when spans are continuous, up to 4.5 meters. Greater slab thickness is required for deflection control in cases of greater spans. Filler blocks thicker than 110 mm may be utilized in this situation. The space must be raised in order for the contractor to install a low-profile shower tray that drains correctly. It will be helpful to have a unique insert that increases height by 90 mm. This insert is available in 16 colors and 7 textures. In addition, a variety of styles of trays and ornamental side panels are offered. The NatureWave shower tray, which is at least 2.3 centimeters thick, is one illustration taken from the catalog. Quality and unique design adapted to all spaces. The base shower tray was created with a custom-made identity, and this feature remains part of us. It achieves this naturality and simplicity by combining slate, beton, and nude textures with a wide range of colors. Create your perfect space that will awaken your senses and give your bathroom an incomparable finish. The base slate shower tray measures 800 by 800 millimeters and is square-shaped. It features a blanco finish with a stainless steel grid. This shower tray is manufactured by Acquabella and is part of their base collection. Through its brand, Construplast presents an innovative, avant-garde new shower design system, the Shower Show. With it, users can custom design shower areas, choosing from a range of made-to-measure shower trays, available in different colors and textures, wall panels, countertops, and custom bathroom units. These floating blocks can be used to construct piers, pontoons, and even helipads. This special modular system reduces work time by 75%. Each 19.7 by 19.7 by 16 by 2-inch block has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. They are composed of high-density polyethylene, or HDPE, a robust plastic. Building a private dock can support a commercial operation, increase the value of your property, and offer a swim platform. It's important to take into account a number of aspects while thinking about a dock in order to streamline your decision and reduce annoyance. Take into account the water's depth and kind, freshwater or saltwater, first. Recognize if there are large fluctuations in the water level. You can use this information to determine whether a dock should be floating or stationary, as well as to select the optimal dock material. Consider the seasonal variations in weather. You need a sturdy dock that can resist storms and freezing weather if the area is prone to any of these events. Determine whether the port will be in a busy area as well. This will affect the pier size and design to prevent obstructions to others. Make a plan for installing the dock. Select an easy-to-assemble dock if you would rather install it yourself. If not, budget for the possible expense of hiring a professional installer. Be sure to plan how you'll utilize the dock, whether it's for swimming or fishing, personal watercraft, or boats. This will assist you in choosing the right setups and accessories. Brick paving is changing thanks to new equipment. It resembles a large printer and is capable of paving roadways up to 19.7 feet wide using premium bricks. Although Belgium and other nations have devices comparable to this one, the Netherlands is the country that created it. It produces results that are 4 times stronger than hand-patched paving, and it can pave between 3,220 and 8,600 square feet in a single shift. It has several paving patterns and fully electric models. In order to build roads, this amazing piece of equipment feeds cobblestones into an interlocking pattern. This process would take hours to accomplish by hand. The road printer, also known as the Tigerstone paving machine, can pave 400 yards of new road every day. Paving a whole road, 1 to 6 meters wide, in one go is possible with the brick paver. This includes laying the edges, saving bricklayers from having to carry out this labor-intensive, physically taxing process by hand. 1 to 3 operators stand on the platform of the technology and manually move loose bricks from its hopper to its sloping pusher slot. The bricks must be fed into the pusher in the desired finished pattern. It stays on course thanks to built-in sensors that follow the curbs. With 2 operators, the machine can pave at least 300 square meters of road per day compared to a single conventional paver, who manages between 75 and 100 square meters on their hands and knees. Your roof may sustain damage if you neglect to maintain it. Fortunately, a fantastic repair product that has been around since 1985 comes from the US. A ready-to-use roofing mortar that resembles thick paste or modeling clay is visible on your screen. Simply open the package, take off the protective covering, and get started. It is half the price and 5 times faster. Flexim Roof Mortar requires no mixing or washing out after installation, making it 50% less expensive and up to 5 times faster to install than conventional mortar systems. It comes in ready-to-use strips that are easy to install and save any extra for further tasks. It is instantly water-resistant, incredibly sturdy, and resilient to a wide range of weather and temperature extremes once placed. This product, in contrast to conventional sand and cement mortar, is unaffected by wind uplift, roof contraction, or delamination, and it stays flexible for the duration of its life. Its portability and secure roof installation are guaranteed by its lightweight design. This product can be installed in temperatures ranging from plus 60 degrees Celsius to minus 25 degrees Celsius. It contains no harmful ingredients, using natural linseed oil, making it environmentally friendly and suitable for sustainable building construction. It is also effective for pest control, sealing gaps and large holes to keep rodents, birds, bats, and other wildlife out, and resealing itself if critters try to get in, eliminating the need for repeated repairs. I'm heading to the French company Geismar, which is at the forefront of producing and maintaining railroad machinery. Their large track-laying machine has 656 frames per second maximum speed. For safety, it is remotely operated. It was successful to lay 7.2 miles of new tracks with this machine. It is comparable to a train that runs on tracks. Track laying is made effective with the S2PV, which can lay tracks at a high output of 200 meters per hour using 36-meter plain track panels. It is perfect for rapid and effective track installation because it works in any network and is compatible with other track laying techniques. The S2PV's user-friendly remote control guarantees a secure working environment. Because of its adaptability, this system can be used to integrate pieces for different track laying processes. With its remote control and modular architecture, it is safe to install up to 45 meters, 45 tons of switches. The SPAC system's high performance makes switch installation possible in less than an hour. With the use of a panel transportation tilting wagon, the PWP provides a way to build rails, switches, or turnouts fast and safely. These devices can operate on any network and are compatible with different track laying techniques. Because of its distinct shape, it also keeps turnouts from deforming during handling and installation. Indonesia is focusing on its construction sector with two major projects underway. The first is a 9 gigawatt hydroelectric power plant, scheduled for completion in 2026. The second is the country's inaugural nuclear power plants, set to be finished by 2040. The video showcases various construction processes, such as wall installation and foundation pouring, using products from a German manufacturer. These homes are protected from moisture by the company's leak-proof AquaSafe technology, which helps reduce repair costs. Their prefabricated basements can be constructed in just 3 to 5 weeks, regardless of weather conditions, ensuring projects stay on schedule. Additionally, the manufacturer offers well-known insulating products like self-adhesive tape and arc flash window flashing, further enhancing the durability and efficiency of the buildings. These advancements highlight Indonesia's commitment to modernizing its infrastructure and adopting innovative construction technologies. Gabions were employed to shield soldiers and weaponry during the Napoleonic Wars. These were basic constructions, consisting of earthen baskets stuffed with stones positioned around vulnerable areas for defense. They are still in demand today because of their efficiency and simplicity. For instance, in one project, laborers used a frame constructed of 3mm steel wire to construct a gabion fence that was 41 meters long and 2.2 meters high, filled with basalt. Rectangular baskets with hexagonal twists formed from steel wire mesh coated in PVC or galvanized steel are called Gabion boxes. Natural stones are placed inside diaphragms that separate these baskets into equal halves. When the box is filled, the diaphragms keep the stones from moving, guaranteeing even distribution and preserving the shape of the box. There are several uses for these boxes, including flood control, protecting bridges, strengthening earth structures, preserving coastal areas, and guarding against flooding. They can withstand wave action and adjust to unstable soil without breaking thanks to their flexible structure. The ability to promote plant growth is one of their benefits. The voids between the stones fill with dirt and plant roots with time, adding to the structure's strength and stability. The early years are critical for the steel wire mesh, but eventually the soil and plants will do a better job of holding the stones together. People are turning to alternative energy sources while lawmakers attempt to reduce the cost of electricity. For instance, solar panels integrated into roof tiles blend design and technology. Similar goods are being produced even by Tesla, under the leadership of Elon Musk, which can power a 185 square meter home with roughly 10 kilowatts. On the market, there are numerous varieties of solar tiles. The most common type are the ones listed above. They are called solar cell photovoltaic tiles. Small photovoltaic panels are embedded inside terracotta tiles to create photovoltaic tiles with solar cells. These panels are typically covered with glass to provide protection from airborne contaminants, impacts, and potential trampling. These tiles are inexpensive and well liked for generating green electricity. The most affordable possibilities for the support base of these systems are the traditional Portuguese or Marseille tiles. The usual curved or tile-shaped shape of photovoltaic solar roof tiles is achieved by covering their upper surface with flexible sheets of amorphous silicon, often known as thin film. With its unique surface that can resemble any building material, the Diaqua firm has expanded this technology and created Capo Invisible Solar, which is perfect for historic centers. Glass, PVC, and polycarbonate are the materials used to make transparent photovoltaic tiles. These materials let up to 90% of light through. UV and infrared light is absorbed by these tiles, which then move the captured light to the tile's edge, where it is converted into electrical energy by a small strip of photovoltaic material. The combined capacity of all solar power plants globally in 2010 was 18 gigawatt. This capacity rose to 183 gigawatt by 2021. The BMI team saw this growth and developed the InDaX Adapt solar energy panels. Each of these roof-mounted panels has a maximum power output of 514 watts. The average weight of a panel is 21.5 kilograms. This company's Adapt system is an in-roof photovoltaic system that works with slate, clay, and concrete roof tiles. Its high-performance crystalline technology ensures efficient energy production and a waterproof roof, and it accommodates multiple portrait configurations. The panels improve the beauty and longevity of the roof by sitting flush with the tiles. This system is flexible and can be installed up to the roof's edge, providing great design versatility. It meets UK standards, including MCS 005 and MCS 012 certifications, and has passed the UK Fire Performance Test. This company's in-roof systems adhere to standards for uplift resistance, fire tests, and wind-driven rain resistance. This system features half-cut cell module technology, improving performance and reliability, offering higher outputs per square meter and better shading and debris tolerance. The system has a low profile with black-coated aluminum frames. It is designed for quick, safe assembly with a wide pitch range, maximizing energy yield. It is weatherproof, wind-resistant, fully MCS and BBA certified, and includes a 25-year power output guarantee. Hilti, a construction technology firm, and Hotblock, a medical equipment company, are the manufacturers of this product. They produced one of the first exoskeletons for construction workers that were readily accessible. Weight is transferred from the arms to the hips by means of mechanical wires, using a device that is worn on the body. Research demonstrates that it lessens upper body muscle strain by 47%. Based in Liechtenstein, this company is a global corporation. Their primary target market is professionals. They create, manufacture, and market goods for the construction, building maintenance, energy, and manufacturing industries. To lessen the pressure on the arms and shoulders when working aloft, they created a wearable passive shoulder support device. This amazing upper body exoskeleton was developed especially for the construction sector to help lessen the physical strain of demanding labor. Its goal is to lessen worker weariness, which will increase productivity and aid in luring and keeping skilled workforce. Weighing less than 2 kilograms, the exoskeleton is made to be comfortable for the entire day and helps postpone shoulder and arm muscle strain from lengthy overhead activity. It ensures flexibility of movement by providing dynamic support and permitting the torso and arm to move freely. It can handle almost any overhead installation task on building sites because of its versatility and adaptability. With this equipment, you can quickly identify the ideal drilling location from our list. This unique wall detector finds metal and wood components beneath surfaces, along with power cables. It is effective on ceilings, floors, and walls. It is easier to handle and puts less pressure on your hands due to its small size and light weight. A precision instrument intended for residential and small-scale commercial construction jobs is the PREXISO wall detector. This manufactured tool provides precise and reliable readings, enabling it to locate the center of studs and detect changes in density behind walls. Using this equipment, you may rapidly choose from the best place to drill. This unusual wall detector locates power wires as well as metal and wood components under surfaces. It works well on walls, floors, and ceilings. Its compact size and light weight make it easier to handle and less taxing on your hands. This multi-detector is praised for its price, ease of use, and functionality. It is also simple to store. Because of its small size, it may easily fit in a kitchen drawer or pocket and be used whenever needed.